I'm Chanmi,
And I'm Ruben.
and we are the coordinators of the Design the Future track.
We'd like you to take a moment and think about the world in 50 years. How would you like it to look like? What are the trends that are affecting your life? And what roles do technology play in this future? In our course, you'll learn how to combine design and foresight to think about the future and make these visions concrete and also actionable.
Will we have smart, interactive table at our homes to help us eat healthier?
Or will we have robots at homes, for instance, to help our children with their learning?
We will cover all aspects of design, from exploring as many creative opportunities as possible to actually building and testing some of these ideas.
And we have a great interactive program set up. We have invited some experienced designers, both from industry and academia, that will be sharing their experiences in design and also future thinking with you.
Are you ready to join us and shape the future with creative minds? We are looking forward to seeing you at CuriousU Design the Future track this summer.